Hello students, welcome to your biology class. In this video we are going to read about the plant cell and animal cell. So we have already read about the cell size, cell shape and cell number. Here we will read the different structure of the plant cell and animal cell. So you can see this is your animal cell. Okay, so here this animal cell also contains so many parts. Okay, so these are the parts. Okay, in the animal cells there are different structures. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Okay, first one is your cell membrane. So you can see here the cell membrane. So cell membrane will be present both in plant cell and animal cell. Okay, it is very thin and delicate membrane. Okay, and remember it is the most outermost covering of the cell. Okay, then your cytoplasm. So this cytoplasm, it is a colorless liquid like substance which is spread all over the cell. So you can say this cytoplasm is here in pink color, you can see light pink color, which is spread all over the cell. Okay, then you're there Golgi body. Okay, so you can see the Golgi body structure. This one is your Golgi body. Okay, and Golgi bodies means what? These are the stalks of flat membranous sac. Sac means what? A pocket like structure. Okay, and it is found near the nucleus. Okay, you can see this is your nucleus. Okay, this one is your nucleus. So your Golgi body found near the nucleus. Okay, then your centrosome. Okay, centrosome means what? Centrosome is a minute non-membranous body found near the nucleus of animal cell. So remember your centrosome found only in case of your animal cell. So you can see this is, and it is found very near to the nucleus. Okay, and remember the important thing, plant cell do not contain centrosome. Okay, then your nucleus is there. So you can see the nucleus structure. Okay, so nucleus is the most important structure found in cell, in plant cell as well as in the animal cell. And remember, nucleus is the largest structure of a cell. You can see as compared to other structures, your nucleus only the largest structure. Okay, and the outer covering of the nucleus is known as nuclear membrane. Okay, then nucleolus. Nucleolus is found inside the nucleus. Okay, this round color structure, inner one is your nucleolus. Okay, then endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum are the irregular network of tube like structure. So you can say this is your endoplasmic reticulum. This is your tube like structure. Okay, irregular network means that they don't have any definite shape or size. Okay, then it connects the plasma membrane with the nuclear membrane. Okay, then what is there? So plasma membrane means what? Your cell membrane only. This cell membrane only, otherwise called plasma membrane. So endoplasmic reticulate, it is joins the link between your plasma membrane and nuclear membrane. You can see. Okay, then mitochondria, it is there. So remember, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, it is very tiny bodies of various shapes, and this is found both in plant cell and animal cell. So I have just discussed the about the structures of the plant cell in shortly. About all these parts in detail you will read later on, that means in the next video. Okay, then this is your plant cell. So I told you about the cell membrane, that is the outer covering of the cell, then your cell wall. So what is your cell wall? Cell wall is which is found only in the plant cell. Okay, it is found only in the plant cell. Okay, so in case of your plant cell only, it founds your cell wall. Okay, it provides the mechanical support to the plant cell. Okay, then about cell membrane, nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum I told you, and about the mitochondria also I told you, but about the chloroplast and vacuole I have not told. No, so listen. Okay, the vacuole means what? You can see the vacuole structure. Vacuoles are the green color plastids, okay, which contain the chlorophyll. So you know that in leaf the chlorophyll is present. So in the so due to the presence of chlorophyll only, plants can make their food. So this chlorophyll is located inside the your chloroplast. Sorry, yes, inside the chloroplast. Okay, so vacuole means what? You can see the chloroplast structure. Chloroplast is the green color plastid. Okay, and vacuole means what? Vacuole are the, it is present in the cytoplasm. Okay, and the vacuoles are found in large amount in case of the plant cell, but in case of the animal cell it is found very less and very small, but in case of the plant cell it is found very large numbers. Okay, and vacuole stores excess of water, pigment, water products. Okay, so sorry, I think you are confused between your vacuole and chloroplast. Remember, chloroplast means it is the your green color plastid where your chlorophyll is there. Okay, chloroplast trap the energy of the sun to perform the process of photosynthesis. Okay, the process of making food, that is called your photosynthesis. When plants make their own food, that is called your photosynthesis. So this chloroplast only absorbs the energy from the sun to perform the photosynthesis process. Okay, and vacuole means what? Vacuole are the non-living fluid which is present inside the, that means in the cytoplasm of the cell. Okay, so in shortly I told you the structure of plant cell and animal cell. Okay, in detail you will read later on. Okay, I just give you the introduction of these two types of cell. You make these two type of cell structure, this diagram you make, and remember all the parts. Okay, and another important thing that from the next video onwards your biology Bhavani Miss will take. Okay, and listen to her carefully and read carefully. Okay, she will take your biology. Okay, today onwards she will teach you. Okay, no need to be worried, from this cell chapter only she will teach you. Okay, she will start from your basic cell structure of plants and animals. From here she will start and she will explain you. Okay, remember, today onwards your Bhavani Miss will take your biology. You know her now, because in standard 5th she taught you your GSC. Okay, she only will take your biology. Okay, thank you.